Lose weight for 2025. Start a Mediterranean. Want to lose weight and stay healthy in 2025? The Mediterranean diet is not just a diet, it's a lifestyle. Packed with delicious foods and proven by science to boost your health, it's one of the easiest and most sustainable ways to shed pounds. Stick around, and I'll show you how to get started today. Step 1. Understanding the basics. You need to understand what's a food pyramid chart, pointing to layers representing vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. The Mediterranean diet focuses on whole, unprocessed foods. Think vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and olive oil. You'll also enjoy moderate amounts of fish and lean proteins. It's all about balance and flavor. Eat plenty of vegetables, fruits, whole grains. Use healthy fats, olive oil and nuts. Moderate protein, fish, poultry. Step 2. Build a Mediterranean breakfast. Preparing a simple breakfast with Greek yogurt, berries, and a drizzle of honey. Start your day with a Mediterranean twist. A bowl of Greek yogurt with fresh berries and a sprinkle of nuts is a protein-packed, fiber-rich breakfast that keeps you full longer. Swap sugary cereals for Greek yogurt or oatmeal. Step 3. Lunch ideas. Mediterranean salad with cucumbers, tomatoes, olives, feta cheese, and a drizzle of olive oil. For lunch, try a colorful Mediterranean salad. Mix cucumbers, tomatoes, olives, and a bit of feta cheese with olive oil and lemon juice. Pair it with a slice of whole grain bread for extra fiber. Add fiber and healthy fats to keep hunger at bay. Subscribe for more healthy living tips. Step 4. Dinner inspiration. Grilled salmon with a side of roasted vegetables. Dinner is simple and delicious. Grilled salmon with a side of roasted veggies and quinoa makes a perfect, satisfying meal. Remember, fish is a staple in the Mediterranean diet. Aim for at least 2 servings a week. Step 5. Smart snacking. Bowl of nuts and a sliced apple. When hunger strikes between meals, skip processed snacks. Choose nuts, fruit, or hummus with veggies. Healthy fats and fiber keep your energy steady while curbing cravings. Step 6. Key weight loss tips. Pointing to a list on a whiteboard. To lose weight on the Mediterranean diet, focus on portion control, drink plenty of water, and stay active. This isn't about deprivation, just smart choices and consistency. On-screen tips. Watch portions. Drink water, not sugary drinks. Walk 30 minutes a day. Closing. Smiling with a table full of Mediterranean dishes. The Mediterranean diet is your delicious path to weight loss and better health in 2025. Start today with one small change and see how amazing you'll feel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite Mediterranean dish below.